How to flash a stock ROM using smartphone flash tool.
These are the instructions to flash stock ROM on Mediatek devices using the smartphone flash tool, USB flash tool, on Windows computer. Requirements: your Mediatek device should have at least 40–50% of battery to perform the flashing process. Flash stock ROM using smartphone flash tool, USB flash tool. Step 1. Download and install Android CDC driver on your computer. In case Android CDC driver is already installed on the computer, then skip this step. Step 2. Power off your Mediatek device and remove the battery, if it is removable. Step 3. Download the stock ROM of your Mediatek device and extract it on the computer. You can find stock ROM on firmware file or through Google. Step 4. Download and extract USB flash tool on the computer. Once USB flash tool is extracted, you will be able to see the following files. Step 5. Now, open flash_tool.x to launch the tool. Step 6. Once USB flash tool is launched, click on the scatter loading button. Step 7. Now, locate the scatter file. You can find the scatter file in the stock ROM of your device. Step 8. Now, untick the preloader option. Flashing the preloader.bin can brick the device. Step 9. Click on the download button to begin the flashing process. Step 10. Connect your Mediatek device to the computer using the USB cable. Make sure it is power off. After connecting the device to the computer, press volume down or volume up key, so that USB flash tool can detect the device. Step 11. Once the computer detects your device, the flashing process will start automatically. Step 12. Once flashing process is completed, a green ring will appear at the end. Step 13. Now, close the USB flash tool on the computer and disconnect the device. Congratulations! You just learned to flash or install stock firmware on Mediatek devices. Keep in mind, caution, we do not recommend you to flash the preloader.bin file using the SP flash tool as it may brick the device. Therefore, always untick the preloader.bin option before starting the flashing process. Mediatek USB Driver. If you are looking for the original Mediatek USB Driver, then head over to the MTK Driver Auto Installer page. How to flash IMEI. If you want to flash IMEI on Mediatek devices, then head over to How to Use SNWrite tool page. Credits: SP flash tool is created and distributed by Mediatek Incorporated, so full credit goes to them for sharing the tool for free.